Good Thursday morning to you guys. So today what we're going to be working on is to continue working on our Geology on Mars Google slide. So again, it's found under assessments. Okay, so when you click on that, you're going to see the Google slide. And today's slide is going to be slide 9 that you're going to work on, dated 9/3. Okay, so it's talking about the scale in the solar system. So it's going to be a little different today because you're going to have to navigate in Amplify to be able to find the article. All right, so you're going to go into Amplify and navigate to Chapter 1, Lesson 1.1, and then there's going to be an article called Scale in the Solar System that's in a PDF format that you open up, okay? And so when you read it, what is the key point of introduction from the scale in the solar system? All right. And you can go ahead and click on this and type the key point of introduction. And then there's some other sections in the article that you need to find key points for 1 and 2 for, such as the objects in the solar system come in different sizes. What's the key point 1 and 2 for under that section? And then what's the key point 1 and 2 for different planets or different distances from the sun? All right, so how do I get there? So you're going to go into Clever. Click on Amplify. Now, when you open up Amplify, a lot of the times it'll just leave off wherever you were. So just in case that you're not on lesson 1.1, this is if I click here where it says Amplify of Science, that's kind of our home screen. And so that takes us back to all of our units. And so this is probably where you may have started. And so to get to the right spot, go ahead and click on Geology on Mars. Then we're going to click on Chapter 1, Lesson 1.1. All right, so then if you scroll down, you should see something called Scale in the Solar System. Okay, so you can go ahead and click that, and it'll open it up in a PDF. Okay, so here's the key point, Scale in the Solar System. We read this part on Monday, right? So, and then here's the second section of that green area where it says objects in the solar system come in different sizes. So you read all of this and pull out 2 key points, okay? And then here's the third section, different planets are different distances from the sun. Read this section and pull out 2 key points. Now, when you do that, you can type right into this. So you just click on the box and you can begin to type. Now, obviously, I want a nice high-level sentence. I don't want. I want you to show me effort. Okay, make it a nice complex sentence that it sounds like a high-level 7th grader wrote that. All right, so take your time, read it carefully. It's just that one article, so you have plenty of time to do it, and you have a great opportunity to show me your writing skills. Okay, so once you're done with that, I've also had some questions in Amplify saying, Mr. Phillips, do we have a textbook or anything like that? And actually, we don't, but we do have resources embedded in Amplify that you can use to study from. So if you looked at the digital resources right here, you would be able to see the slides that you've seen in the videos, and you could go back and look through those at your own leisure. Okay, so you have 2 options. You could use PowerPoint or you could use Google Slides, but they're basically the same thing. It's just whatever you prefer to use. All right, so that's basically today's lesson. So you're just going to finish that Geology on Mars slide 9 by reading the article, and then you're done, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.